Suppose 24 into 35, I want to do horizontally. So it depends upon you which side balancing you know very well. Okay, so everyone familiar with only right to left balancing. So that is the reason I'm starting from left. Right to left. So see, observe carefully. So first digit multiplied with first digit. Yeah. So that gives us 20. It is clear or not? Yeah. So the second step, these 5 moves to 2. Then these 3 move to the next number. So from right, it's move this direction. From right, it's move this direction digits. Are observing? So that means what are the number is there before digit we are considering here, but from and in the multiplier we are taking after digit, the coming next digit, the tens place digit. In this case, the place values are decreases. In this direction, the place values increases. So depends upon that. So see now, 5 twos are 10 and 3 fours are 12. Yeah, 10 plus 12. So that gives 22. But already 2 is there. So if you add 2 here, it becomes 24. So I'm writing 4 here and 2 here. Yeah, it is clear. See, the last digit, the last digit 5 reached to 2. So that means the next the 3 goes to 2. Are you getting my see? First, the 5 multiplied with 4. The next step 5 is multiplied with 2. Are you getting my point? That means 1 by digit. The same thing, 3 moves to 4 in the second step. In the final steps, 3 multiplied with 2. Are you getting my point? Yes? So the final step will be 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, that gives 8. So my final answer 840. Okay, I will tell you another example. 24 into 56. The first step will be focus on this number, first of all, unit place digit. So that is 24. Yes, I am writing 24. Next, see, this 6 move to this value. Yeah, so that gives 2.
1354.
It moves to this value. So it gives 20. So it gives totally 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So I'm writing 4 and 3. Okay. So 5 completed, one cyclic. That means all digit is covered. So now 5 multiplied with 2. Are you getting my point? So 10 plus 3, that is 13. So 1344 is my answer. It is clear? Yeah. Do these problems once again. Please try these two problems. Come on. Okay. Are you getting? So here I give generalized form. You can observe here. See, the blue line started in the second step. Yeah, are you getting? Yeah. So here we are getting first value 0 and 1 will be carried next. 2 2 that's 8, 13, 14 and 1 next 4 and 5, 40 is the first answer. So come to this value 48. I am writing 4 here. Next value will be 56 plus 10. 66. And 7 plus 6 that is 13. So 1368 is my final answer. Yeah, are you getting clear? Is clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So let us take 3-digit number. Yeah. A, B, C into X, Y, Z. We have to be very careful. See, first this one. Are you getting my point? See. Next, this Z moves to B. Then this Y moves to C. Are you getting my point? It is clear. So now this Z multiplied with A, then this Y multiplied with B, then X multiplied with C. So Z already reached to A. So there is a known number after A. So I am not taking Z this time. So now see the Z already multiplied with B. So now Z multiplied with A and X multiplied with B. So see 1, 2, 3, 2. You can observe same palindromic number here also. So are you getting my point? Yes? So see here. The final step here we want to take only single digit. Already B multiplied with A. So now X multiplied with B. So this is a general procedure for horizontal multiplication. You have to focus on them. Okay, very carefully. So if you take, let us take A, B, C into X, Y. So observe carefully. A, B, C into X, Y. A, B, C into X, Y. See now how many steps here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total we have 5 digits. So 4 places will become. So 1 less than of places will come. Are you getting my point? So look at now total 6 digits are there. So 5 digit will become. 5 place values. The same thing. See here I am multiplying with a C. Okay, it is clear. Now again y multiplied with B, but here x multiplied with C. Now this y multiplied with A, then x multiplied with B. The final step you can see here, only we will get x value that multiplied with A. Why? Because already y reached to A value and x reached to B value. So the final value will be x reached to A and they are multiplied. Okay, are you getting my point? It is clear or not? It is clear?
Yes.
Can I give examples?
Yeah. Vertical was no easier, but yeah.
Yes. So I will give very small examples. That means simple numbers I am taking which are less than 5. Okay. And another number will be 11. Yeah. Try these 2 examples. So just I am giving patterns to you. You have to practice at home. Okay. So Nita already gave the first answer 6. Let's give 6. 4 into 6. 24. Yeah, first answer is correct. Please do everyone. Please. सब करना चाहिए. ठीक है. If anybody not getting, please ask me. Okay. Yeah. Ashish sir, you're not trying. Ashish, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Try करो sir.
Sir, in chat box. Okay. So first answer is 15972. Yeah. And second answer will be 4202. Rajamani sir, please check your answer.
Error.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, welcome. So I will take next one. So see, I will take another problem here. For suppose, let me take here. A, B, C, D, E is multiplied with X, Y, Z. Observe carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there total. So we have to write this pattern for 7 times. Okay. So 1 less than times you are getting place values. Which values? Place values. So that is a very important thing. Okay. My voice is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. इसको प्रैक्टिस करना एक जरूरत है. ठीक है. कितना आ गया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 steps we are written so far. Yeah, see. Observe carefully. I will take red color for only Z. See. One value. Okay. Next, Y multiplied with D. Then, sorry, Z multiplied with D and Y multiplied with E. Yes, are you getting my point? Yes or no? And now Y multiplied with C and Z multiplied with B and this X multiplied with E. So now Z multiplied with B and Y multiplied with C and Z multiplied with, sorry, X multiplied with B. Yeah. So now again Z multiplied with A. Okay. And Y multiplied with
B.
and Z multiplied, sorry, X multiplied with
C.
C. Now already Y reached to A, that is last highest place value digit. So now X Y turn. Y already reached to B, so it reached to now A. Okay, and the X is multiplied with B now, and the final step will be the X multiplied with A only. So you have to observe in this way. Then you can do horizontally multiplication in single line also. Yeah, are you getting my point? See here, see A, B, C, D, E, X, Y, Z. So same pattern you will get. See.
Sir, can you show an example?
Oh, you need example? Yeah, okay, definitely. Oh, so it is clear pattern?
Yes, sir. Continue.
Let me take one example here.
Yes.
1, 2, 1, 3 into 1, 2, 1. Okay. So you can do in normal procedure and tell and ready with your answer. So see, the first step is this one. That gives me 3. Yeah. So now this one moves to and multiplied with 1. Then I am multiplying with this value. So that gives 5. Yes. Now this one multiplied with 1. Already 1 is completed. Am I right? Sorry. First one.
But 7, na, sir?
Yeah,
7?
yeah. Sorry. I mistake. Yeah, yeah. I will do again. Sorry.
1, 1, 3 multiplied by 2.
Yeah. I will write this multiplication with black color. Yeah. So see, the first thing is 3. Okay.
Hmm.
And now 1 into 1 and 2 into 3, 6. That is 7. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. Now 1 into 2. 1 into 2, that is 2. And 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, that is, sorry, that means 3 value, 4 plus 3, that is again 7. Are you getting? Yeah. Now 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4, that is total 5. And 1 into 1, that is 1. Plus 1, that is 6. So I am getting here 6. Yeah. So observe now. So now these two, now observe carefully. Who doesn't understand? See, this one reached to final number, that is highest place value. That means after that, before that tens place digit and one place tens place digit reached to now highest place value. Now it is like this. So that is we are getting here 4. So now see, the tens place value reached highest place digit here. So now whatever number is there, 100 place value, now multiplied with this value. Yes? Are you getting the same? Everybody? Yes or no?
Yes.
Anybody have any doubt? So it is clear?
Sir,
Yeah.
explain second last step, sir. For
Sorry?
second last step. For जो आया वहां से थोड़ा
Yeah,
बता.
yeah. See, observe one thing. This one reached to actually the
Last.
last two place digit, yeah?
Yes.
So that is completed. That
Completed.
when it is reached to the last two place digit, that means next value, the tens place value, this digit, it will be eliminated. When when tens place value reached highest place value, after that it will be eliminated. The next 100 place value reached to this number. That means elimination. Are you getting? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So little bit practice. I already gave. I mean, what is that pattern? So if you follow the pattern, you will get the answer. So don't bother about it. Yeah. But we have little bit practice. Okay. Yeah. So to this concept. Yeah. So same algebra also. Algebra also same. I'm doing the same thing. But yesterday I did with left to right. Okay. So see. It's the same pattern applying now. This plus 6. Okay, clear? Now it will be reached to this value, that is 6x 3x. The total is 9x. Are you getting my point? Now 2 multiplied with this value, yeah, then it is multiplied with this value. That is totally 2 plus 3, that is plus 5x square. So see, the last digit, that means this 2 is multiplied with this last term. In the algebra, it is called term. Then it will be eliminated. Yeah, are you getting my point? And it is multiplied with this number. So that will be x cube. So yesterday I did in this way. I'm writing the answer directly, but we are doing from right to left here. But yesterday I did left to right. Are you getting my point? I'm doing like this. That means x square plus 3x plus 3 into 3. Same thing. X cube. Okay. Three plus 3. 3 plus 3 I'm getting here. It is 2. Yeah. So then 5x square. Yes, are you getting? So this number reached to final number. So I am eliminating this one now. This value, that is 6 plus 3, that is 9x. And the final step will be this only. That is 6. So yesterday I did this in this manner. You can use left to right or right to left. You are getting the same answer. Okay. Clear it is?